Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include blind spot monitor, hands-free power liftgate, MP3, steering wheel controls, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, rear parking aid, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.